Today I want to review the Hollyland LARK M2. I have to say right off the bat, I love this microphone. In fact, the audio you're hearing in this video is from this particular mic. Now, I actually own the Hollyland LARK M1 and I really liked it, but the problem that I had with that one was that you had to, if I was recording on the iPhone, I had to plug in the receiver and plug the receiver into the cord in order to be able to do that. So what's nice about the M2 is that it has the adapters for the phones. So if you want to record straight to the phone, you don't have to go through the receiver. You can plug the receiver right into the phone and the audio gets recorded right to the device without the external receiver. Although it does have that too. So it gives you both of the microphones and it has the receiver. So if you want to run it on, say, a digital camera, you have the receiver here. So it's nice to have that option now available. They're also super small. And what I like about it is the noise suppression. So you'll notice that it's hard to see, but on here it's a green color. Actually, if I pull this other one out, you can probably see the color a little better, but it's got the indicator. So it shows whether or not it is blue or green. Blue is regular, it's a regular connection. Green means that it is noise suppressed, and the noise suppression is good. It is really good. Also, obviously, it comes with the cords that you would need to be able to, take that audio and put it on there, or to charge the device itself. And it comes with the little softeners to put over the microphones so that it can kind of condense or soften some of the S's in your speech or some of the wind or whatever. So ultimately, an amazing microphone. I have been looking for this microphone for a long time, and I got it on sale, and I don't regret it at all. I love this microphone. Cannot say enough good things about it. Again, I was a fan of the M1, but with the extra steps, be able to record onto my phone just kind of made it of a challenge. And as soon as I saw that the M2 was available and it was a lot easier to just plug and play for the receiver to the phone and put the mic on, I literally can start recording in under a minute. So I really like it. I highly recommend it. Great set of microphones.